All right, anyone have any Halloween candy left in their home? I know we're still working our way through the scraps that were brought in and left over in the newsroom. Yeah, those Mounds and Almond Joys, Whoppers, yeah, they're still here aplenty. Sorry about that. But when you're trick-or-treating, and that's all that's left out there, that's all that's being handed out or that's in the bowl, you're still going to take it, right? Not this guy. No, sorry about that. But it is better than no candy at all to a lot of people, which is what happens, though, when you're towards the end of the night of Halloween, you run out of that candy and you get left with the scraps, as it were. In the Fall Creek neighborhood in Meridian, a few teenagers out and about found an empty candy bowl sitting on the porch, and instead of leaving it there, they decided they were going to do something about it. Amber Holtz posted this video on her door, next door, I should say, earlier this week. She says she left a bowl of candy on her porch on Halloween night for kids, to help themselves. In the video, you can see a couple of them walk up. The first one then realizes, well, it's empty. And he tells his friend, there's nothing there, let's move on. But he says, or at least appears to think, well, let's just put some back in for the next one. Pay it forward, like in line at the drive-thru. She says she watched this video back, Amber did, a few times because she says she couldn't believe it. She says if the boys' parents do see this, she wants to thank them for their kindness that night. So if you know who these boys are, and the girl that was also there with them, or their parents, tell them we're also looking for them. We would love to thank them as well.